Greetings, I'm Dr. Simone Lord. I'm a doctor of naturopathy and the author of Cheat, Death, and Live, a guide to plant medicine that you can purchase on Amazon. But today, I am delighted to introduce you to Dr. Joel Vitale, a pioneer in integrative medicine, internal medicine, as well as IV vitamin therapy, skin discoloration therapy, aesthetic medicine. So, Dr. Vitale, thank you so much for joining me today, and I'm so excited to be able to work with you in integrative medicine, making it a thing. So, welcome.
Yes, thank you. Likewise, because I'm very delighted to meet you. You have the ideas that I probably would never be able to implement due to my busy schedule and my lack of support. But that was always a goal, to have a place where my patients can go and recover. Because recovery is a big word, but it's a deep word. When we talk about recovery, we talk about all the stressors of life on a daily basis, whether it's bad news, whether it's lifestyle, whether it's driving in traffic in the morning, whether it is the bad food that we're consuming that is filled with toxin, all this processed food, the water that we're drinking that is very processed and very chemical. So at this point, the body is fighting, left to fight by itself. And for many, many years, by the time we start being symptomatic, the damage has been occurring for a very long time.
Yes.
So when you do a test for somebody, because I do the DNA, which actually will find out if it's your genetic predisposition to have that kind of inflammation and to have that type of body reaction. Is it your predisposition for your body to be unable to defend itself? Or is it just not genetic and it's basically epigenetics, meaning the environmental factors which are worsening the quality of life? So at this point, when we do these studies, we do like a gut microbiome, a blood test, and
Yes.
DNA, then we come to the conclusion that that is what we're gonna have to deal with. I don't call it treatment, I basically call it improvement of quality of life and capacity to fight disease processes. We are surprised to find out now that the majority, more than 80% of the diseases could have been preventable because
Yes.
they are epigenetics. So there's something aside from your genetic mapping that predisposes you to certain disease that you weren't born with. A lot of people have gastric issues, like you just asked me. It became such a common issue. When I
Yes.
was growing up, it was unheard of.
Right.
But everybody has leaky gut, and that's where the
Leaky
toxin.
gut, and
Yes.
also, they have that acid reflux.
Exactly. And this is how what happens. The stomach is something irritated inside. It's like a scratch on the inside. What happens when that happens? The toxins from the gut can penetrate into your cell, into your bloodstream, and cause disease.
Yes.
The majority of the disease that we encounter right now could have been prevented
Yes.
if we had a healthy gut.
Yes.
So the healthy gut is very important. So when we take a patient to a center like yours, like you're trying to do, you're gonna help the patient, treat them, and help them recognize the benefits of certain plants, certain herbs that can
Yes.
help them improve their
to
quality of life,
detox.
decrease the
Yes.
inflammation, and detox the body.
Yes.
So because it's all in the plants, it's all in nature.
Yes.
You just have to go back to nature and get acquainted to it, and now make it
Absolutely.
happen.
And I know that you offer ozone therapy. Is that a very good treatment for inflammation, let's say?
Let's put it that way. These things that we're talking about are mostly symptoms. So our procedures are not really treatments because we're not prone to treat a disease specifically.
Okay.
But most diseases that we're fighting right now starts with inflammation, us being attacked by a
Right.
foreign agent,
Yes.
by a foreign substance, by a chemical substance. And the body loses the capacity sometimes to defend itself. And the major reason why is a lot of them penetrate into your cell. So then they penetrate into the cells, and then the cell looks different now. So our body, our scavengers, our army is perceiving our cells as foreign. So here comes all the diseases that we're fighting. Lupus, any connective tissue disease, sarcoidosis, Alzheimer's. We have these plaques forming. We have no idea where they're coming from, and we feel like the body is going crazy and attacking itself. And
Yes.
this is where we actually want to tame down that reaction.
Right.
We want to improve the outcome.
Yes.
Okay, and improve the quality of life as we do that, because the
Yes.
brain is very much disturbed by all these disturbances, especially chemical substances accumulated in the brain. And with the stress factors,
Yes.
we don't sleep enough, we don't have enough hours of sleep, and that's when the brain dumps all the toxins into the lymphatic drain. So you don't let the brain relax and detox. What happens? You have anxiety, you have bad temper, you have this, you have a whole bunch of problems, and then what happens? Instead of detoxing you or eating better, improve your quality of life, use red light and exercise, you get a medication now, which is another source of chemicals added to the burden that your brain already has to deal with.
Uh-huh.
So it actually makes matters worse at the long run.
Yes, absolutely. But what can we do? What's some of the things that that come to mind that you offer here at this wonderful establishment that you have here?
What I do here, I listen to the person's symptoms. This is the number one, to know which parts of the body are suffering. That gives us a lot of information. And then you do a hormonal panel. The hormones are the ones that are conveying information from one part of the body to the other part. You know, it's time to do this, it's time to ovulate, it's time to stand up, it's time to wake up, it's time to go to sleep, you know. So we have a bunch of hormones that direct that. We check these levels, make sure they're normal. And we check different levels. So now we know what is disturbed and where we have to go. And at this point we determine it's gonna be diet only, it's gonna be diet of and exercise. The recovery is very important, and people
Yes.
can't change their lifestyle from one day to the other one. That's where a center like yours
Yes.
is crucial for the well-being of a lot of people like this, because you had a lifestyle for 20, 30, 40 years, and I can't teach you in an office setting how to
Yes.
live your life, how to heal yourself. And this is what it is. It's healing. It's naturopathics. Nature can heal. And we're gonna go back to
Absolutely.
this. Yeah.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
Well, thank you. I brought you a little gift from Mother Earth, and so first we will start off with the soursop. So
Yes.
the soursop. Now this is soursop tea with
Okay.
cloves. I know you like cloves because
Yes.
you recognize
Cloves
the
and
healing
ginger.
benefits.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Cloves can kill almost anything that attacks the body.
Absolutely. So this one, we're gonna start with this one because it tastes like medicine, that's why. So we're gonna start with this one, right? Cheers to your good health. So this is, you know, we like to give this for
This is
people.
a very strong throat taste,
Yeah.
which is good, which
Mhm.
is actually enjoyable. So I didn't
Thank you.
expect.
Oh, you didn't, oh, because, you know, it doesn't really taste that good, this one.
Right, depends on
But
what
we
you
get it
call
better. We're gonna
This-
go with the world famous Power Shot. Now this one is, I would call it an amazing anointed formula, because this one knocks out mucus, sinus issues, joint pain, heart
So
healthy
inflammation.
inflammation.
Yes.
It gets
Which
to
is
the
what
root of
we're
it.
dealing with every day.
Yes,
This is what's causing most of the disease we have to deal with, is the inflammation.
yes, yes, and also it's heart healthy. This one too. So this one is my most famous shot. You know, they love this one, and you know, we seal it really good. Keep all the goodness in. And if you have acid reflux, this one might irritate you because of the cayenne, but it might also make you want to get up and dance. This one is really good to start
This
up the
is
body.
really good.
Yeah. So you
I
do.
made something like this every morning during COVID.
Yes. This
I was
is when I
working in the
started this.
hospital, yes. And it would help me cope with all this disease around.
Right, and it makes you feel like getting up and going to work
yeah.
too. It, you know, it boosts you up a little
boosts
bit,
you
right?
up. Yes, yes. Yes, it boosts up the metabolism.
Yes, yeah, and
Are
it makes
these
you.
gonna be available all over the place, or are they gonna have to be ordered in a special website?
Well, our website is motherearthjuice.com, but you know, I'm hoping to, you know, we have it also at Mother Earth on Sudfen and by special order.
And what is this one?
This I call energy elixir. This one is elderberries, Cassandra berries, ginkgo, chase tree berries for hormonal balance, and ginger with honey.
So this one you recommend at night,
Yeah, you can take it anytime.
and the hot one in the morning, right?
Yes, the hot one is really good to make you want to go to work or school, focus.
It actually treats the stomach, by the way.
Yes.
The ginger in it. Even if people have reflux or gastritis, it actually at the long run, you feel the heat, but
Yes.
at the long run, what it does is actually heals it, help it heal.
Yes, that's why we call it a miracle
Yes,
formula.
yes, it's a miracle formula. And also anti-parasitic,
Yes.
anti-viral, anti-bacterial.
Yes,
There's a lot of properties there, and anti-inflammatory.
absolutely.
Yes.
Yeah. So, we're excited to have you,
So I'm
within
excited. I'm
our
gonna enjoy my
network.
juices.
Yes, yes. Make sure you pay Dr. Vital a visit. So we're at 2209 Merrick Boulevard. What town is this?
Merrick Road.
Merrick Road, people. And this is what town?
Merrick, in
Oh.
Merrick, New York.
Merrick, New
Right
York.
on Merrick Road.
Absolutely. Thank you. That's all for now.